Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. It's Boxyluxe. It's not Boxy like the base box. So it came in a pretty big box. I have the one for May right here, just to kind of show you the size comparisons. So I was waitlisted for Boxyluxe and I was able to get it this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Oh, it came with a card this time. I don't know if you guys remember, if you saw my first Boxycharm, they forgot to send me the little card, and I find these really useful because then I have to look everything up on my phone. So this is the little card. It's Boxycharm, the Oasis, sorry. So it looks like I got some charcoal brush set from Billion Dollar Brushes. This is what they look like. They're vegan charcoal infused bristles. That's weird. I've never heard of charcoal infused bristles. I'm gonna take them out of the box just so I can kind of look at them a little bit better. Ooh, they're very soft. So they're super soft, and I really like the color. The handle's like a gray color and then soft. They feel really good quality. And it comes with, did one fall in here? No, right? So it comes with 5 brushes, and this is what they look like. And they're super soft and they feel very good quality. That's good. So the charcoal brushes, let's take a look here. Billion Dollar Brows charcoal 5-piece brush sets. So they're vegan, cruelty-free, synthetic, charcoal infused for an antimicrobial effect, allowing for flawless makeup and eyeshadow application. And they retail for $55. So happy about that. Ooh, I see something. I got the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner foaming face wash. I'm kind of excited about this. I have not tried any of her skincare. I did hear some mixed reviews though. Before this was gonna be in Boxycharm, I did hear that this wasn't good for sensitive skin people, and I'm pretty sensitive, so, but I mean, it doesn't hurt to just try it. I like how it's pink. I like the packaging. It's very simple and like, yep. So Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner foaming face wash. And that's what it looks like. Sorry if the camera doesn't focus, guys. So that is Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner, obviously, foaming face wash. It retails for $24. And it says that it's infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed, and it's packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. Cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. All right, well, I'm excited to try this out. I've never tried any of her skincare before. I do have a couple of her lip kits, and I think that's it. I've never tried any of her eyeshadows. I just was obsessed with the lip kits, and then I don't know, moved on to other things. You know, there's so much makeup out there sometimes it's hard to keep up with. So next I got Pure Heals by Nature Village I'm not saying this right, Propolis 80 sleeping mask. Ooh. So that's what I'm guessing it's skincare. Stop focusing, there we go. I'm guessing this is skincare. Oh, it's a sleeping mask enriched with 80% honeybee extract, provides full nourishment and glowing skin for tired skin. Take that out. Let's check it out. Oh, so it smells really good. It just smells super fresh. I love sleeping masks. I'm using those Glow Recipe ones, the watermelon one and the avocado one. Those are the ones where you sleep with them on, and they do really wonders for dry skin if you guys want to try that out. So this is from Pure Heals. It retails for $55. It says it provides full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping, and it says it's propolis extract forms a water oil protective barrier that soothes irritated sensitive skin. Oh, so it's for sensitive skin, so there you go. And it also says it's, what is that? Skin irritation test complete. That's great, because not only do I have dry skin, I have super sensitive skin too. You guys know that brand Murad? Any of their products I've tried turns my face red. Like if it's a face wash, a night serum, it just everything like that I've tried from that skincare line turns my skin bright red, which is disappointing because I've heard really good stuff about that brand. But anyways, moving on. The next thing that I got was, I have no idea what this is. I have no idea what this is. What the heck? Is it like a little gemstone? This is what this, what is this? It looks like a little tooth. Hold stone against skin at a 15-degree angle and apply lightweight. But what is it? It's gua sha tool. Oh, it's for like your skin. You're supposed to, I'm reading this little diagram. It's a sculptor for your face. It says, bring the spa home and mimic the effects of our cult favorite skincare studio treatment. Chisel, lift, and define facial contours with this Jade tool. It retails for $32. So I'm guessing like those rollers, have you guys seen those rollers that people are using? I guess it's similar. I'll have to, you probably Google this or YouTube this to see how it's used, because I've never used anything like this. Next, what I got, let's see here. What is this? Oh, I got a BB cream, cute. It's from Perless. Perfect Glow BB Cream, SPF of 30. Oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking coverage. Matte meets glowy finish. Oh, this sounds really useful. You know, in the summer, sometimes you just want like something quick when you're going out to run errands. You don't want a full face of makeup. These are really good for that. So I wonder if it's my skin color though. I'm happy about this. I've been wanting a BB cream for a while now. So the BB cream is, this retails for $30. Like a beauty balm, you know, a tinted moisturizer, and it also has SPF, and that's really important, especially during the summertime, to protect your skin against the harmful radiation of the sun. Ooh, nice. Look at this. It's a Tartist Pro palette. I'm actually pretty excited about this, you guys. Tartist Pro Amazonian Clay palette. Check this out. Ooh, it's a pretty good size. Oh wow, this is really cute. This is definitely a win right here. Check that out. Looks so pretty. And they have a ton of pinks and browns, and they have this really pretty green color right here. This is nice. For some reason it smells like chocolate. Ooh, I'm really happy about that palette. Let's see here. It retails for $49. I'm sure everybody knows Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay palette. Wow, that's really good. Next thing that I got is Biography Professional Cosmetics lip pencil. Ooh, two pack of lip pencils from Bodyography. Sorry if you can't. Let's check out the colors. There we go. Oh, these are cute. So I don't know if everybody got the same colors, probably, but I have Rosewood and Pouty. Rosewood is like a violet red. I don't know how to describe the color. It looks like it bleeds though. And Pouty. Pouty looks like Max Soar, if you guys know Max Soar right there. So this one is this one, which is Rosewood. And then Pouty is this one right here. Pretty cute. And those lip liners retail for $35, and you get two, which is pretty good. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry, I'm reading the wrong thing. Oh, okay, they retail for $28. Pouty and Rosewood. And the last thing is, ooh, nice, Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. Oh. Let's see. Nice. nice. I needed a new mascara. This is awesome, actually. So you guys know that Boxy Base Box and Boxyluxe are two different things. So this month I got the Boxyluxe. But you know what I really wanted, and I saw that Boxy Base was gonna get it, was the Illuminati diamond powders. Those are really good. I have one and in the color Cocoa Bling, and I was kind of thinking like, damn, I should have stayed in Base Box, but I'm actually pretty happy with all the stuff that I got. Like, I'm excited to use this palette, and then Lily Lashes mascara. This stuff is like really good. And oh, I think I forgot to mention how much the Lily Lashes are. They retail for $24, and wow, it's pretty good. And I like the lip liners, and the brushes feel great. It's like all stuff that's I'd be really interested in using, except maybe this. This is kind of weird. I don't know. I feel like you can just use your fingers instead of using like, I don't know, but I'll try it out. I just think it looks so funny. Like it just looks like a little tooth to me. So I added everything up from my little card that I got, and the total for this box is $302, and I paid $50. So you pay the price of the base box, and then you also, it adds another $25, so $50 if you're gonna do the Boxyluxe. I mean, I'm really happy with most of these products, and the value of the box is $302, and it's really great stuff that I'm really gonna wanna try. So overall, I'm pretty happy about this Boxyluxe this month. June Boxy, I was not too happy about. Most of the stuff like I gave away or I'm selling. The only things that I was happy about were those like facial pads that came. Those are pretty good. That's the only thing that I found useful out of that entire box. But this box is great. I'm really happy with it. I just don't know why this says the number 10. Do you guys know what this means? This little number 10 here? I wonder what that means. So overall, I'm pretty happy about this Boxyluxe. It was definitely worth all the money. Like, I'm excited to try the cleanser, the BB cream, the palette, the mascara. It's like all great stuff. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, check out my Ross haul if you guys like to see those kinds of videos. And thank you guys so much for your likes, your comments, your subscription. For subscribing. That's what I mean to say. Oh my god. Thank you guys so much. It means a lot to me. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Stay safe and healthy out there, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Bye.